Hi everyone, this is Jupiter Jim from jupiterjim.club, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to update your WordPress blog or website to the latest version of WordPress. Okay, so this is the website fithealthnewjersey.com, and I'm going to click in this tab in the browser right here, which brings me to the dashboard of the self-same website. Is this. We're going to click here. This is the dashboard. And when you're here, you can see that it says WordPress 4.4.2. That's the latest and greatest version of WordPress. That's what we're going to update to today. And what I'm teaching you should work for just about any version of WordPress, certainly anything 4.0 or later. Okay, so first step number one, we're going to click here, Update Now. Okay. So we're here. I'm going to scroll down. First thing it says to do, it says important, before updating, please back up your database and files. As you know, all WordPress websites and blogs consist of a database and a set of files. I like to use Backup Buddy right down here to back things up. But whatever you use, make sure you back up your site before you update the themes and before you update WordPress, because you just never know what might happen. Now, worst case scenario, you don't back up your site, you update to the latest version of WordPress, or you update your themes, or both, and disaster strikes. In that event, call up your web hosting company. They just might have a backup of your website, and they may be able to restore it. I don't know, but it's better than nothing. Best thing, like I said, back up your website. You can click here for different ways, free ways to back up your website. Okay, here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here and update the themes. I'm going to check all. I'm not going to update the thesis at the first go round, and then I can click Update Themes here. Now, since thesis right up here is the theme that we're using, or the framework, see how you can see everything finally worked. Down there, we're going to return to WordPress updates page. So everything worked. You can see that, successfully. Since we're using thesis and it's kind of a complex framework, I'm going to update that separately. So now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to update it separately. You don't have to, that's just me. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, let's go return to WordPress updates page. Now we're going to select all. We're going to highlight all these plugins, and I'm going to update them before I update the WordPress. Okay, I'm just letting go. You can see that it's still updating the different plugins. So you can scroll down the page, that's about it. You do not want to interfere with the process, of course. So 9 out of 9. And all updates have been completed successfully. We're going to return to WordPress. We're just about ready to actually update the WordPress. So click here to go back. Plugins are up to date. Themes are all up to date. Now we can update WordPress. Okay, so here we go. You don't need to download it and then upload it manually and all that. All you need to do is click the Update Now button. Read this. While you're doing that, should take a few, moments or minutes. It will be in maintenance mode. So let's just click Update, and we're basically going to be done. So click that. Okay, bing to bang to boom. It looks like it worked, right? Okay. That's an update. That's a skin for the thesis framework. We're not going to worry about that right now because that's not the point of this lesson. Let's go back to the website. There's the original before the update. Let's click here. Let's click refresh. Now that it's updated, and let's make sure it's still functional and still works and looks like it used to look. So you still have all the menus and all that. Let's just click here. I know that the class schedule has a plugin in there. I'm just going to click on class schedule, and there it is, the plugin for the calendar works. That's it, and that's all. Don't forget to click like, comment, and share. Take care and have a great day.